Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HubSpot for marketing analytics and SEO, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into HubSpot, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the HubSpot login page at www.hubspot.com. Look for the login button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed to the login screen. Enter your email address associated with your HubSpot account in the provided field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. If you want to stay logged in for future visits, check the Remember Me option. Once you have entered your email and password, click the login button to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot My Password link below the password field. You will be prompted to enter your email address again to receive a password reset link. After submitting, check your email for the link to reset your password. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your HubSpot dashboard. To access marketing analytics, locate the Reports tab in the main navigation bar. Hover over the Reports tab to reveal the drop-down menu. Select Analytics Tools from the drop-down options. Within the Analytics Tools section, you can explore various marketing metrics and reports. For SEO analytics, navigate to the Marketing tab in the main menu. Hover over the Marketing tab and select SEO from the drop-down. Here, you'll find tools to analyze your website's performance and optimize your content. Take note of the suggested actions for improving your SEO strategy. Review the performance metrics provided to gain insights into your marketing effectiveness. If needed, utilize the filters to customize the data displayed. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout for easier navigation in the future. Now you are set to effectively utilize HubSpot for your marketing analytics and SEO needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.